survive. Survive 1 week. Pauwi na kami. Thank God, nakasurvive ng 1 week sa office. Kahit malamig. And sobrang busy. So, uwi na, galagala konti. Kahit na medyo inatake ng high blood. And pauwi na kami. I mean, last day sa office. Then, Friday ngayon, flight namin Sunday morning. Bukla. Yan yung HQ building. Bago. Yan yung luma. Alright. So, thank God, we survived the whole week. Kahit medyo inatake ako ng hypertension stage 1. Tumaas konti yung sugar level. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Bus stop for Ibuka. Ito yung old building. Yan yung old office namin. Itong 3rd floor. And yun yung back.